Less than tittle greater than Neirotry Coin preparing for a breakout or consolidation. Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart. Moving averages, volume analysis. The current price of Neirotry Coin stands at $0.03337, which is slightly below the 200-hour moving average of $0.03492. This indicates minor downward pressure in the short term. Recent trading volume shows a slight decline, with a 3.5% decrease compared to the previous day. This low volume may signal hesitation among investors to take strong positions. The 20-hour and 50-hour moving averages are converging at $0.03350, which might act as a short-term resistance. A decisive move above this level could lead to a test of the $0.03450 level. Neirotry's price movement is closely following the overall trend of short-term moving averages, which warrants careful monitoring for trend confirmation. Relative Strength Index (RSI) analysis. The current RSI value for Neirotry is 57.92, placing it in the neutral zone, leaning slightly towards overbought conditions. Historically, when the RSI reaches the 60 to 65 range, Neirotry experiences a price pullback. In June 2024, a similar RSI level resulted in a 12% price correction within 48 hours. If the RSI pushes beyond 70, a short-term breakout above $0.03500 might be expected. Conversely, a decline below 50 could bring the price closer to $0.03250. Stochastic Oscillator Analysis. The stochastic oscillator for Neirotry currently stands at 83.78, indicating an overbought condition. In September 2024, a similar stochastic reading at 84 coincided with a sharp $0.0010 price drop within 2 days. Investors should remain cautious at this level. If the stochastic oscillator moves below 80, it may signal a loss of upward momentum, potentially dragging the price towards $0.03280. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD value is at 0.000073, with the signal line lagging slightly at -0.00000800. This divergence points to potential bullish momentum, albeit weak. The MACD histogram is forming higher lows, which might suggest that selling pressure is gradually waning. However, a failure to cross above the signal line could lead to consolidation around $0.03300 minus $0.03350. A bullish crossover in the MACD line might act as a trigger for upward momentum towards $0.03400 minus $0.03450. Bollinger Bands analysis. Neirotry's current price is positioned near the middle of the Bollinger Bands, with the upper band at $0.03355 and the lower band at $0.03194. Volatility remains compressed, suggesting an imminent price breakout. Historically, when Neirotry's Bollinger Bands contracted this much, e.g., October 2024, the price surged by 15%. A move above the upper band might target $0.03450, while falling below the lower band could see prices test $0.03150. Fibonacci retracement analysis. Neirotry is trading just below the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.03367, indicating resistance at this level. Historical data shows strong support near the 50.0% retracement at $0.05514, which aligns with a long-term upward trendline. If the price fails to breach the 23.6% level, a retest of the 38.2% retracement at $0.06095 may be delayed. Daily candlestick chart and volume. 1-year analysis. Over the past year, Neirotry reached a high of $0.07978 and a low of $0.03049. The most recent high of $0.03367 coincides with resistance from late November 2024. Average daily volume over the year has been $360 million, with the current volume slightly exceeding this average. This may hint at renewed investor interest. Prices have historically reacted strongly to volume surges, often gaining or losing 5% to 10% within days. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. Neirotry's 3-year price trend indicates a long-term support level near $0.03050, with strong resistance at $0.07978. Key periods of heightened volume, e.g., December 2023, were accompanied by significant price swings, making volume a reliable indicator for future price direction. Recent lower highs in the 3-year chart suggest potential for consolidation or a new upward breakout if volume aligns. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than Neirotry is currently trading at a critical juncture, with multiple indicators suggesting a period of consolidation or a breakout. The RSI and stochastic oscillator signal caution, while the Bollinger Bands suggest volatility is imminent. Short-term resistance lies near $0.03367, while support levels at $0.03280 and $0.03050 are crucial for maintaining long-term bullish sentiment. Volume analysis indicates investor indecision, but a surge above $0.03370 could reignite bullish momentum towards $0.03500. Long-term trends favor a positive outlook if key resistance levels are breached.